Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check settings general iPhone storage, and make sure iCloud Photos is on or you know your backup plan. Next, open Photos and sort by albums to find large videos and screenshots. Those consume most space. Tap Select and start marking files. Work from the biggest items down. Once done, navigate to Recently Deleted and prepare to remove items permanently. This prevents automatic restoration and immediately frees space. You now perform the complex middle steps. Open albums and pick media types like videos or screenshots to isolate heavy files. Tap Select, then drag your finger to multi-select rapidly or choose moments to delete entire sessions. For videos you want to keep, tap Edit and trim unnecessary footage to shrink file size. This saves storage without losing content. After selection, tap Delete and confirm. Make sure to check Recently Deleted and permanently erase items to reclaim space right away. Finish by permanently removing items. Open Recently Deleted, tap Select, then delete all to free space immediately. Once done, restart your iPhone and revisit settings iPhone storage to verify reclaimed capacity. This updates the storage report. If space still looks full, sign out of iCloud Photos and sign back in, or toggle iCloud Photos off then on. This forces a resync. If problems persist, contact Apple support, but usually a restart and emptying
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.